Yeah, I opened your plan. Thanks for sharing it. And I obviously have the camera view open. I had to find this icon here. Right, the way I found it was I don't use Pro all the time, so it's not set up like my Cheap Architect Premiere. Anyway, uh, went over to customize toolbars, and I typed in edit, and that took me to right here, 3D view, material tools, and that's this icon here. I drug it up there like this. I don't need two of them, so I'm going to drag that one back off. Then when I click on that, I get this tricolor tool, and that's what you need when you're going to change materials. This is what you need to use. I'm going to click on it, left click on it, and then click on the material I want to change. And I can see you've already changed the height for vector view cameras. It doesn't affect render view cameras, as you found out to your sorrow. So you have to change two settings. You wanted a 30-inch reveal here between the siding, but then you have to go also to the texture part, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 30. That's 240. See, it's set to 32, and that's the reason it didn't change, because he didn't change it. 240. And now in the preview here, it looks different. We'll click OK. And then there's a change that you were going for. And it'll work both in, they put materials together for standard render cameras like this one. Let's see, where's that tool? Yeah, here it is. Then here's vector view. That's the lines that you set up. And we'll go back to standard render. And that's what I set up. And you only did half the job, and that's the reason why only half the job got done. Okay? It's not real intuitive, but it's the way that it works. Thanks for watching.